Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the ice maker in a LG refrigerator with the freezer on the bottom. So I took the, this is what the ice maker looks like. Okay, so I have one in there. I took it out last weekend, emptied it because it was all full of water or ice. And then, so what's happening is this is not dumping. It's filling with ice, but then this is supposed to heat it up enough where when this tilts, when this tips, it turns, it rotates. When it rotates, the ice drops out. The reason I can tell it's not dumping is because when you look down here, you'll see that this is filling with ice. And why? Because with this already being full, the water comes down here and just pours over the ice and goes down to the bottom. So that's how I know that it's this and nothing else, because I checked it and it was working just fine. So we're going to replace this. So there's a drawer here that just pulls out. That's easy. Then I have to remove this because I'm going to have to step into it. So I just need to unload it a little bit so I can actually lift it out. There's one help it video that shows how to take this off, and you can if you want, but I'm lazy, so I don't do that. Actually, what I'm going to do is just kneel down. I'm going to take two screws out, one here and one here. Bada boom. Okay. Now it's down like this, so I'm going to pull it this way, and it's going to come off of that. Now it's going to drop. There's a clip right here. I just have to pull out. So this is what I'm talking about. So obviously it's not, this is not working anymore. So we're just going to pull it out, and they don't sell parts for it. They sell it all together. It's a little less than 90 bucks. The hardest part really is kind of getting this thing lined up. The first thing we're going to do is put that in there. Okay. Boom. And then you gotta just make sure you look that it's flat all the way around. And it is. Okay, so now we're just gonna put the two screws back in. Okay. Get out of this thing. Put this back. Boom. Okay, now that it's loaded up, all I gotta do is flip that on switch. Boom, click, and I'm good. Rattrap Productions, we show you how to do stuff. Today I showed you how to quickly install a new ice maker in an LG and Fridgidaire refrigerator with the freezer on the bottom.